an unfunded Bujeti corporate account is like having a car with no fuel. Your financial system is in place, but nothing is moving. With Bujeti, we've made funding your corporate account simple and fast. Hi, I am Titilayo, the head of product marketing at Bujeti, and today I'll be showing you how to fund your Bujeti corporate account.
From the Bujeti dashboard, navigate to Account in the menu bar. Select the account that you want to fund. You have two options to fund your account. You can add fund yourself or request your admin or manager to top up the account on your behalf. If you are funding the account by yourself, click on Add Fund button and you will see your unique Bujeti account details. Simply make a transfer to the account dictation and the fund will reflect within a few minutes. Once the money lands, you're ready to allocate or use it for approvals or bill payment automation. You can also easily move funds from one account to the others that you already have on the Bujeti platform. It's that easy to fund your account.
You're now ready to move money across your business with control. So, log in and fund your Bujeti corporate account now.